Hey, what is up, everyone? I am Trey. Welcome to another trade recap. Today, we're going to talk about a couple trades I made this morning. Nothing crazy, basically break even on the day. Still new at this, still learning, happy to not be negative. Truly missed out on so many incredible opportunities, including this initial Atos spike out the open, which I don't know if that was already on our previous watch list, but beautiful. I did play this for the VWAP bounce right here, exiting close to the top of this tick. This was not a TD Ameritrade. This was another Robinhood play, which let's pull that up on the phone so I can show you. Mirror. Okay. Yep. And Atos. Those other two were trades I made last week, so I'm currently waiting. All right, there we go. So we have our market buy, $100, 574, and then our market sell, $103 at 593. So back to the chart, 574, basically right here. This just came to me, and I was like, I'm just gonna buy. I'll risk VWAP. You know, if this 572 breaks, I'm out of the trade. Whatever. Small position size, followed my rules, $100 for listed stocks. And this level 2 was kind of nasty. Well, a little bit nasty. It just kind of kept stacking like this. Like you have 19 by 12, and it kind of kept creeping up. But I was kind of looking for a faster move. I was looking for it to retest this like $6 range. Didn't really get it, as you can see, so I dipped out around here in the 590s. $3, right? Nothing crazy. And then what I made in the TD today, in the Tiadia, tiny loss on WPG. So let's pull up WPG. Oh, look, it's already here. Sick. So all within one 5-minute candle. I'll tell you what I was thinking. Maybe if we expand this out to the 1 minute, we can see what was going on here. So, you know, I was aiming for this high day breakout after 510, and it just didn't work. You know, I timed it right. You know, I was looking at this dip and rip action. I suppose my entry could have been here at the VWAP reclaim, and I could have ridden this. So maybe the lesson here is to wait more on, or to plan my entries closer to VWAP. If it's a dip and rip, you know, buy the VWAP reclaim to the continued spike. If it's a come down, you know, buy the VWAP hold. So that's something that I'm thinking. And I was trying to buy this breakout here, so literally right on the 1 minute doji candle, and then we had a very, very brief upticks into the 517s. This was so fast though. This was like 2 seconds, and then it was right back here. Waited. I was trading off of the 5-minute candle, so I was risking. In my mind, I wanted to risk the low of this candle, of the previous candle here. That failed. I could have risked VWAP, but I don't know why. I did not. Which, you know, risking VWAP would have gotten me, you know, I potentially could have exited a couple, 10 minutes later for very, very measly gains. Not mad at it. Again, I think the reinforced point is plan my entries and exits closer to VWAP. You know, I saw this spike up. I could have just as easily been like, you know what, instead of chasing at the top for this breakout, because I literally, you see, I got in at the 5.9, so I got in right here at the breakout level. You know, I could have seen this happening and planned for a retrace. I could have set a limit order just above VWAP, and I might have gotten filled here on the bottom of this candle and then had a better buffer, right, for later on. So that's sort of what I'm thinking. Either way, I'm not mad. I literally break even, right? I think we saw the Robinhood. You know, I made $3.30, and on TD I lost $3.20. So I'm up 10 cents on the day. Big stuff, man. That's big kahuna stuff. But you know what? I'm not mad. I followed my rules. I followed my trade plan. So in my eyes, I think this is a success. I'm not red on the day. So there we go. I don't plan on making any more trades unless I come back in the afternoon for a good OTC gapper setup. Not really seeing anything off the bat that looks good. But yeah, truly some great plays out here today. I mean, Eyes too has just been, you know, ripping up here lately. This was a good play. Humble not so much. That was on watch. CLNE. I mean, now it's over VWAP, so maybe this could be good for later in the day. WPG. Let's take a look here though at AMC. Truly has been just incredible. Like out the gate, gapping up 52, high of 60. You know, let's go over here. Let's see AMC. Let's look at the daily chart over here on AMC real quick. Like, just look at that, just straight up. Let's get my, I like having the 50 and 200 up here for when I'm looking at the dailies. Nothing too crazy going on, at least when we look at these average lines, but man, just incredible. I mean, you could even call this a little bit of a bull flag that's happening here on the daily. Just ridiculous. Like, so what are we gonna, you know, what do we have going on here? Maybe let's add a trend line. So you can see we're kind of breaking out of this trend. You know, where we go, who knows? You see we're kind of bouncing off of this first moving average, which is really interesting. I'm not going to play AMC personally, but I figured I might as well keep a look on it. Other tickers, you know, BlackBerry. I missed out on the bounce. You know, this was going pre-market. This was good. You had this little dip and rip here. Let's go to the 5-minute candles, which we know we like to trade off of. Yeah, look at this. It's crazy how that bounce just really happened at the intersection there. Sorry, I'm having my coffee. Like crazy, man. You could have waited for this green confirmation, got in at 14.31, made $1 a share up here. Like, ugh. But, and I saw this happening. But anyway, so yeah, that's about it for the day. I will be back. Look at Eyes just continuing to run here. Absolutely beautiful. Truly missed out. Ugh. I'm so annoyed. But not really. I'm not red. It's fine. I've got 1 day trade left. So I'm not looking to use that unless I find something that's incredibly obvious to do. We got the SPY is down on the day, so, you know, keeping that in mind as we move forward. Otherwise, you know, it's time to move on with the rest of the day. So thanks for checking it out. See you in the next video.